There was a girl named Lucy in the kindergarten that I went to, and she started playing violin, and I thought she was so cool. She brought it to school with her, and yeah, so I said I wanted to learn how to play the violin, and thankfully my parents listened to me and got me into some lessons. To me, music lets emotions come out without words, which is sometimes easier and conveys more than trying to say it in a sentence.
There's a really good music scene where I grew up in Michigan. A lot of good folk, bluegrass, and old time players. Just traditional music in general. A lot of good Great Lakes ballads and fiddle tunes. We lived in Gaylord, Michigan, which was kind of the locals all call that area, the Snowbelt. So it's kind of just a tie back to our Midwest roots.
Max wrote all of the lyrics to this song. My role was adding some melody, some improvisation to it.
It's called Earthly Justice. It's kind of in response to John Prine's Paradise, kind of a modern take on it. The progress of man, and kind of just acknowledging that these really pretty natural areas like Estes and where it takes place in Kentucky for John Prine's version. There's already underlying issues going on in those areas, and then you get a bunch of industry and not so good.
I love the message of the song, but I also love the feel of it and kind of what we've created together, combining the thoughts and the tune.
Hope that earth is just gonna work out well. Coal miner went to heaven, old King Coal to hell. Don't blame the saw or the lumber yard. Blame the bank that made him work so hard. St. Paradise, we've always had problems. Last thing we needed was you. Don't build a high-rise and slap your big name on it. I'll be crying down by the bottom. Cut through the barbed wire in the good name of Abby. Slash cut the fence posts and it dulled my chin. Taking my home acre by acre, selling it to me with an ad campaign. St. Paradise, we've always had problems. Last thing we needed was you. Gonna build a high-rise and slap a big name on it. I'll be waiting down by the bottom. Neighbor told me hard times are near. Didn't mean a thing 'cause they're already here. Warbler's no warble, whippoorwill's gone. Spring peepers peeping, just a sound that's been forgone. St. Paradise, you know we've always had problems. Last thing we did was you. Go and build a high rise and slap a big name on it. I'll be scheming down by the bottom. Hope that earth is just gonna work out well. Coal miner went to heaven, old King Cole